Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by disabling the touchpad when typing and reducing sensitivity. Open Settings and go to Touchpad or Mouse Options. This stops phantom taps caused by palm contact. Once there, turn off Tap to Click, lower sensitivity, and enable palm rejection if available. Make sure to plug in a USB mouse now so you can continue testing. These steps cut off the most common causes. They're fast and reversible, so change one setting, test, then proceed only if the issue persists. Next, you'll update and calibrate device drivers because outdated firmware often triggers repeated clicks. Run your OS update, then open Device Manager and locate the touchpad or HID-compliant device. Update the driver first. If the problem started after an update, roll back instead. You can also open the device vendor utility to tweak polling rate, gesture sensitivity, and tap zones. Once done, restart the machine and test with your USB mouse. This ensures software-level causes are. Finally, check for hardware issues. Power down, clean the touchpad surface and edges with a lint-free cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol to remove conductive grime. If cleaning doesn't help, test an external USB mouse. If it's fine, the touchpad hardware or ribbon may be failing. Carefully reseat the touchpad cable if you're comfortable opening the laptop or schedule a repair. If problems continue after these steps, contact the manufacturer. They can run diagnostics or replace the touchpad. One tip: keep a recovery point before hardware changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.